Hello friend, and welcome to another product review. And today we're looking at the new Nacon Revolution 5 Pro. This is Nacon's PS5 Pro controller. I've used Nacon controllers in the past, and in fact my Forza Horizon videos are all with a Nacon controller, so I like them. But am I going to like this? As always, my opinions of the product are my opinions and my honest opinions. I paid for this wasn't sent to me. Let's unbox it, test it, and talk about it. Here it is, the Nacon Revolution Pro 5 in all its glory. But is it glorious? What do I like and what don't I like? First of all, we've got a lot of stuff on the back to talk about. We've got the mode selector there, the profile mapper here, profile selector here. Here we can choose between advanced mode and classic mode, depending on whether or not we want to map from the controller itself or map using the app. Pump stop here, it's two-step, it's not clutch, it's just a stopper. Up at the top, this is your multifunction mode. This is the button you use for customizing your profile. Across here, we've got the wireless and wired selector. And of course, in the middle, we've got our USB-C port, which is quite sturdy. Now you can see from here, this stick just here, look how far off to the side it is. That's crazy. Taking the thumbstick off so you can see that better. That's off by a few degrees. There's no drift or anything involved in that. It's just not level, not straight. However, the thumbsticks are great. They feel wonderful because these are Hall effect sensors, so there's no actual moving parts in the sensors of the axis. This means that the thumbstick module will never wear out. It's amazing, and it means it's more accurate in theory than any other controller on the market. D-pad is super clicky. That's really good for retro games or games where you really need to know that you've engaged that switch. Buttons are okay, they're not squishy, they're not excessively clicky, but they're okay. Touchpad's alright, touchpad's about the same as the DualSense. It's a quiet controller, there's no rattle in it, there's no creak when I flex it. Being able to add the weights in at the back means that the controller is always going to feel the way you want it to feel in your hand. I like the box that everything comes in. The thumbsticks are good, they're nice and squishy. It's nice to have the classic D-pad in there. We've got the weights of varying weight there. We've got the different spaces for the thumbsticks. The only thing I don't like in here is the microphone. I think that should have been built into the controller. That seems a bit orky to me, but it's a design choice, I guess. It's nice to have a box to keep it all in though. That I appreciate. Down here we've got volume controls and we've got the Bluetooth button in the middle. Now we've got the PS4, PS5 and PC selector. So you've got two triggers here. The other ones are actually here on the grips. I thought I was going to catch those, but I didn't because it's quite a click to engage them. Shoulder buttons feel good. They've got a really nice strong spring on them. And we've also got textured grips just here. And on the shoulders, we've got a nice click. No rattle, just click. You can't see it right now because it's not plugged in, but just along here, there's actually a battery indicator strip, and that will flash when it's charging to tell you how charged your controller is. The light here, you might think this light doesn't do anything, but in fact when you're setting up your macros, hold that down and there we go, that flashes. And what you do then is you press the button you want to set, and then you press whatever you want it to be. The else I like, that is so much cable. I think that's about a 3-meter cable. It might be a 2-meter cable, but it's certainly a lot longer than other cables we've seen from other Pro controllers in the past. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, I'm sorry to say. Yes, this is a fabulous controller, but it's a PS5 controller. Let's talk about what it's missing. The onboard mic, strange concession. Having that big module sticking out the bottom just feels like it's an afterthought. One of the PS5's main selling points is the haptic feedback on the triggers. There is none with this controller. According to Nacon's website, they left out haptic feedback because they wanted to focus on the sticks, these Hall effect sensor sticks. That could be forgivable. However, this controller has a vibration engine and it has vibration motors in there. Yay! But wait, the vibration function only works on PC and in PS4 mode on PS4 games. So the vibration motors are there, but don't work for the PS5, which seems like a huge oversight for a controller which is aimed at PS5 users. The technology's in there. Why does it not work? That for me is the Achilles heel of this controller. It's not that technology has been left out, it's that the functionality for it hasn't been added in. And that's where one of the best controllers I've reviewed this year loses all of its points and becomes meh. So, I don't give ratings or arbitrary scores on this channel, but I do ask, who is this controller for? And for me, well, I think I have definitive answers for this. It's for PS4 owners, it's for PS5 owners who play a lot of PS4 games, and it's for PC users. What it's definitely not for is people who play PS5 games. Alright, it's just the way it is. Personally, I think Nacon have dropped the ball with this. It seems a bit of a mishmash. Maybe they should have developed it for longer. Maybe they could have upped the price tag just a little bit to give us a little bit more functionality. But when your PS5 Pro controller has greater functionality for the PS4, you need to start questioning why. What do you think? Do you understand the logic behind that? The logic of giving PC and PS4 owners vibration function but not PS5 users? If so, let me know in the comments because I need this explaining to me. And until next time, I want to say a big thank you to channel sponsor Button Bashers and our Patreon patrons who help to keep this channel going. And of course, thank you to our Discord members for being a little bit mad. Till next time, see ya.